For diabetics, having to inject insulin can be a painful and very unpleasant process. In tonight's Wear the Gown, KENS 5 reporter Jeremy Baker looks into a new study about inhaled insulin for kids.
Up until now, inhaled insulin has only been available to adults, but a new study aims to open the door for inhaled insulin to children. One benefit is not having to use a needle, but another, the speed at which the inhaled insulin works.
Injections of insulin take about 15 minutes to start to work, whereas inhaled insulin works much more quickly.
He says this would work for most type 1 and type 2 diabetic patients.
Patients with type 1 diabetes, their pancreas gradually does not work at all in terms of insulin secretion. Type 2 patients produce insulin, but they don't produce enough insulin. They have insulin resistance.
The study being conducted by the Diabetes and Glandular Disease Clinic is for patients with both type 1 and type 2 diabetes between the ages of 4 and 18. It's a phase 3 clinical trial, the last phase in the overall trial, and compares the safety of both Afrezza, which is inhaled insulin approved for adults, to long-acting conventional injectable insulin.
We're one of about 30 sites in the country that are doing this.
Dr. Kipnis says the study should show that inhaled insulin greatly reduces the risk of hypoglycemia and a phenomenon called stacking.
Patients become impatient, and so they take a shot, and then the sugar's still up. They take a shot, and then all of a sudden they plummet. And with inhaled insulin, that's much less likely to happen.
If you would like more information about the study or to see if your child could qualify, we have the information with this story on KENS5.com. Jeremy Baker, KENS 5.
And for more information about family health, call 210-358-3045. You can also find the rest of our Wear the Gown stories on wearthegown.com.